What's up, you guys? ATL Plus YT here, back from YouTube. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you want to, and we're gonna go back right to our dailies, or weekly, I should say, for our Tuesday tutorials for this 3rd week premiere. This is from my teacher. Oh, that. It's really nothing. Let's go to math. And we're gonna be doing 3rd grade. And we're gonna be creating and interpreting scaled bar graphs, but we're gonna interpret scaled bar graphs first, because this is some of the things that 3rd graders struggle with. It says some teachers compared how many years that they have been teaching. So we see all 4 teachers. It seems like Miss Yamato has been teaching for 10 years, Mrs. Watson for 20, Mr. Park for 20, and Mr. Boone for 25. It says, how many years has Mr. Yamato been teaching? She's been teaching for 10 years. How old is Denise? Well, if we look at this scaled bar graph, we can see the number of ages: 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20. We said that Lisa is 20, Michelle is 5, and Brett is 15. This leaves us with Denise, and we can count 5, 10, 15, and Denise is 15 years old. So it seems like this bar graph, the scale bar graph, is skip counting by 5, which is a good thing. It says Anthony tracked the maximum daily wind speed for 3 days. Daily wind speed. That's the name of the scale bar graphs. We got some of the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is the days, and oh, I forgot to tell you guys, on the top left, these are called scales, and the numbers that indicate on each of these topics. So these are called scales, and these are very important to use on bar graphs. So on the top left, it says wind speed miles per hour. You got 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we know that this scale bar graph skip counts by 10. It says what was the maximum wind speed on Tuesday. Now we know that Sunday has 30. That was maximum wind speed miles per hour. Monday was 40 miles per hour wind speed max, and Tuesday is 10 miles per hour max. So we're gonna put 10 miles per hour. So do you know what is going on for it? Says Larry wrote down how many cups of lemonade he sold in the past 4 days. It says the cups of lemonade he sold, and to make it make sense, I'm gonna draw for you. So all right here. Those are the scales. scales. And those are the bars. So the bars is where the data actually goes to and what the scale indicates for that bar. So hopefully you understand that, because some second graders, third graders, fourth graders, or whatever think that this is very hard, but this is not that hard. Scale bar graphs are the easiest things ever. So we're gonna erase all of this. It's take a lot. Okay. So we see that Tuesday has a scale of 30, Wednesday has a scale of 90, Thursday has a scale of 20, and 10 has a scale of Friday. So it says, how many cups of lemonade did the stand sell on Wednesday? We see that Wednesday sold the highest number of cups of lemonade. So we will see that the greatest number of cups of lemonade was Wednesday, and 90 cups were sold. It says, a family travel magazine compared the cost of a child's ticket at different zoos. It says the name of the scale bar graph is price of zoo ticket for children. And this is Houston, Atlanta, and Minnesota. And these are the scales that are on the top left. So we got $0, $5, $10, $15, $20. And it says, at which zoo does a child ticket cost the least? Now we see one of the scales mainly that are less is 0. But we're actually talking about not 0, the one that the bar actually hits less aside from the 0. I hope that makes sense. As in, it's not gonna be 0. It's just gonna be 5 to 20. If you know what I'm getting right there. And I'm gonna read the question one more time. At which zoo does a child ticket cost the least? Okay. So we see that Houston has scale 5, Atlanta has a scale 15, and Minnesota has a scale of 10. So I know if I compare 5 and 15, 15 is going to be the greatest. 5 is going to be more lesser than 15. And then when I compare 15 and 10, 10 is going to be less, 15 is going to be greater. So 15 is the greatest. So that means Houston will be the least at cost, and 15 is the greatest, which is Atlanta. The owner the owner of an orchard kept records about how many apples were picked in the past 3 days. The number of the scale bar graph is apples picked, and And these are the scales: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's just skip counting by 10 if you didn't know. And on the top, on the down bottom, the title is the number of apples. And these are the days on the top left. So we got Tuesday, Monday, and Sunday. So for Sunday we got a scale of 90, Monday we got a scale of 70, and Tuesday we got a scale of 40. And it says on which day were the most apples picked. We obviously know it's 90 because 90 is greater than 70 and 40 together, and 70 is greater than 40. So 40 is going to be the last on here, which is Tuesday, and Tuesday has a scale of 40. Monday has a scale of 70, that's going to be less too, and we know obviously that it's 90 because Sunday has a scale of 90, and 9 is greater than 7, and 7 is greater than 4. Tuesday's less, Monday's less, in a way it's still greater, but it's less, you know what I mean, and Sunday is greater. So the apples that were most picked was Sunday. It says Zach baked cookies each day for a bake sale. Cookies baked. The days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And these are the scales. You can read it if you want. How many cookies did Zach bake on Sunday? Blank cookies. Think about it. Share it. And that leads me to believe that there could be some type of limitation with it. And the only reason that I say that is because it's the I'm sorry. What the bro? This nigga keep liking stuff. I get it, dude. I get. Don't worry, bro. It's gonna be alright. It's like for language. I can make my own playlist for you, okay? Mm-hmm. Remember, I circled these for a reason. Understand the bars and the scales because they are very important to a scale bar graph. And I'm going to keep on circling it throughout this lesson. Alright, if you're done, then you're correct. It is 70 cookies. It says the car dealership checked the number of cars sold each month. The title of the CL bar graph is cars sold. Here are the months: September, October, November, December. And the title on the bottom, the under bottom, or whatever it's called, is called number of cars. Here are the scales. You can read it if you want. It says, in which month did the dealership sell the fewest cars? Remember, always look at your scales and look at your bars and see where your bars are going throughout the graph. And it says, in which month did the dealership sell the fewest cars? September, October, November, December. Think about it, share it. Huh? What'd you buy? I didn't say anything. I was talking to this thing. Okay, if you got December, then you're absolutely correct. because I looked at my bar and I saw where it was going. It was going to get the number 10, and I saw 10 was the fewer number on my graph, so I thought that my bar pointed to 10, and I figured out, well, yeah, 10 is my less number on my graph. That's the fewest number that's on the graph, so we're good. It says a farmer monitored the average price of crops in Idaho. It says the average Idaho crop prices is the title of the scale bar graph.
Ladies and gentlemen, hey, hi, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coming up in just a few days' time already, yes, we've got the Season 6 update for Warzone and Modern Warfare 3.
Oh my God.
This is going to be one of the final major updates for the MW3 content year and for the Warzone 3 content year. And obviously, this is also the final season for MW3 as well. Our next new season will be Season 1 in Black Ops 6, presumably in late November or early December. With that,
okay, no more fucking numbers for the shitty ass game. Thank you.
This is not gonna be no Modern Warfare 4?
Black Ops 6, that's the next Call of Duty.
Throughout our history.
Okay, it says a farmer monitored the average price of crops in Idaho. This is the average crops in Idaho. The average Idaho crops, I mean. And a crop we see at the bottom of the graph. And here are the names. We got peaches, apples, cherries, and plums. So peaches and apples. And here are the prices for something. CWT. If I see it. And here are the scales. We see the scales. You can read them if you want. You can pause the premiere, see how I work out this problem, and see if you get the answers. So, first of all, I'm gonna circle my bars, and I'm also gonna circle my graph. So I see that I have scales of 10 through 90, and I see that my cherries go up to 80. Oh God. Okay, so my cherries go up to 80. My plums go up to 40. Oh my God. Don't go down.
Sorry.
Go up to 40. My apples go up to 20. And my peaches go up to 40. So we see an equal bar. Equal bar is the same amount. So it's gonna be P for peaches and plum. They both have 40 as a scale. So now we're gonna compare them all. So first we're gonna start with 20. It's less than 40, so 40 is gonna be greater. 40 is gonna be greater. And the other 40 that goes with the plums is gonna be greater as well. And 40 is less than 80, and 80 is greater than 40. Now we're gonna go down again. 20 is less than 80. 80.
You know what?
bro, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it.
It's
This
greater
summer was
than
actually pretty boring to me.
20.
I will not. I don't know, man. It just felt pretty lame. Like every day
20.
didn't feel that special to me, you know?
40 is greater.
It's like it ran my life line, told me in my lifetime. Money would help light up the Chicago skyline, and that's why.
Oh, bro, I'm just...
So look, we got an alright. You guys must think this is scribble, so we got an alright. And it says, which costs more? So we know that our $80 is cherries, and we know that our peaches is 40. So look at the problem, pause the premiere if you want, and think about it, share it. If there are some third graders in here, look at this and try to solve this problem. Remember, think about the scales and the bars. Like I said earlier. If you got cherries, then you are correct. It's just a biology class to research the average lifespan of various animals. The name of the scale bar graph is average lifespan. We got the animals on the top left, which are camels, lions, snapping turtle. And we see that the camel has a scale of 50, a lion has a scale of 40, and a snapping turtle has a scale of 60. And we see on the bottom, we see that the title is lifespan, which are the scales. It says of the animal shown, which has the shortest lifespan. Now we can compare these numbers again and see that camel has a scale of 50, right? Now we want to compare to the greatest number. So the greatest number in here is 60. 60 is greater than 50. 50 is less than 60. Less than 60. Now for lion, we have 40 is less than 50. 40.
Because I let him in front of me, so what do I get?
Nah, cause you let him. I mean, that's on you. I'm sorry about that. I mean,
50.
and look, bro, how about this? You can double it or nothing. Meaning, if you give it to her, I give her another 10,000.
50 is greater than 40. 60 is greater than 50. 50 is greater than 40.
Check it out. What happened right now?
60 is greater. Now we got the snapping turtle. Oh wait, we don't have enough space. So we got 40. Less
Sir,
50.
congratulations, you are our 200K customer of the day. You just won $10,000.
50 greater than 40.
What you mean? What?
And so on and so on. So look at this work and think about it. I pretty much almost did all of what you need to find out. So the next one's gonna be our last one, and then we're gonna move on to other third grade lessons. Think about it, share it. If you got lion, you are correct. And this is going to be our last one. It says some students raised money for medical research. The title of this graph is Medical Research Fundraiser. It says we have the 3 students. We got Molly, Bonnie, and Brody. And the amounts raised are the scales on the top left are 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So the scales are technically 10 to 100. So it's who raised more. So we're just going to do this all in one. 40 is the greatest, 20 is the less, but greatest at the same time, and 10 is the less. So we can see here that Brody raised more. But we're not focusing on Brody. We're focusing on only Molly and Bonnie.
We got a football helmet, a motorcycle
So,
helmet, and a Vietnam helmet, and we're gonna shoot them all.
It's less.
This is a 70-pound
than
bow
20.
against the football helmet.
20.
Let's go.
20 is
So
greater
we're
than
straight
10.
in the front,
So
and then right through the dome.
automatically
This is a 70-pound bow.
we get
against the
20.
motorcycle helmet.
So 20 is greater. We got 20. So we're good.
It did not go through.
Okay.
Stop it right here.
We're gonna do our next sticker lesson. Oh my god.
Now this is a 70-pound bow on a
Guys, I'm
Vietnam
not supposed
War
to see
helmet.
that. I'm sorry.
You can see I hit it right here,
Yeah.
and it just dented right in the center and just ricocheted off. It looked like it even sparked when it hit. What did he?
Hmm?
Will we ever have moments like this?
Let's do divide by 2. Because dividing is the most easiest thing. 16 divided by 2. What is this? So we're gonna draw 2 groups of 16. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're gonna count how many's in that circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see that 8 is in that circle. So now you automatically know 16 divided by 2 or 16 and 2 equals 8. So that's the strategy I use. You can also use another strategy. Think of an equivalent fraction. 4, 8 halves. So let's do 8 divided by 2.
Fuck you, bitch.
We're gonna have,
Fuck you, bitch.
bro, I'm gonna get them. We're gonna have 4 holes. That's automatically just gonna be 4. So 8 halves equals a whole, which is 4. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And we could also use my other strategies. We got 2 groups of 8, 8 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We automatically got 4. So those are the 2 strategies I only use. You can use the same strategy that I have, and you automatically get your answer. This is gonna be 5. 2 divided by 2. Yeah, we got 2 groups. You got 2 groups. 1, 2. You get 1. Because it's 1 in each group. Divided by 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 3 in each of those 2 groups. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2 as well. No matter if you change up the division problem, it'll always stay the same sometimes. 7 divided by 2, 6. 20 divided by 2. Now we're gonna have 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 divided by 2 is automatically going to be 8 because you see 20 and 2. You see 8 in each group. Oh, well, that's going to be 7. I just noticed when I did that last problem, I knew that 7 times 2 is 14. And you could also use another strategy. I forgot. So, okay. Here, we need to know the answer to 18 divided by 2, right? We got the full equation. Then we need to find something that equals to 18 divided by 2. So, that times 2 equals 18. We get 9 because 9 times 2 is 18. So our quotient is going to be 9. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. That's 2. It's going to be 8. You can copy these answers down because some of these we already did. Almost done, you guys. Trying to get this 100.
You see, he literally throws himself to the ground. The reason is that he is actually training very precisely.
X. Almost close to the 100. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna do a 4th grade. See.
I take all this. Yo, hey, guys.
You hate Philly, bro.
We're gonna do multiply 1-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers the 4th grade lesson, and add and subtract with like denominators. Because I did I did 1 times 7 on one side, then I did 1 times 7 on the other side. That automatically gives me 7, and we know that will be 77. This is gonna be 0. 1 times 6 is 6. You get 60. 3 times 3, remember, is 9. 3 groups of 3. 2 times 3 is 6. It's going to be 69. 1 times 5 is 5. Go across. They got 1 times 5, which is 5. 55. 3 times 8. Go straight. That's 24. They go across again. That's 24. Oops, I'm doing it wrong. Sorry, guys. So we got 4. 4 is gonna stay for right here. So we put that 2 over there at the top. 8 times 3 plus 2 is 6. So our answer is gonna be 264. Is it times 4? Straight across. I mean, just straight down. Is it times 4 is 0? Straight across. 1 times 4 is 4. So 10 times 4 is 40. 6 times 7 is 42. Put that.
Oh, is this the first one?
Get the heck off the sidewalk now.
Excuse me?
Get off the
Put that 4 on the top.
Why'd you just hit me?
Want me to hit you again?
What the f is wrong with you? You don't f touch me.
And 1 times 7 plus 4 more is 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's gonna be 112.
She just hit me.
3 times 6.
Yes, she did.
3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 straight across is 46.
He tried to run us down the sidewalk.
I did not.
And lied to us.
Times 2. 3 times 6. 52.
Good. Come on, boy. Just get it on. Let me see
Get away
it.
from me.
Come on.
Get away from me. If this old lady touches me again, I swear to God.
Oh, you are lady. Shame on Dad. Did your boy?
3.
She hit me. She hit me.
Absolutely. I should be on the sidewalk. Off the sidewalk now.
Excuse me?
Get off the
Please don't
sidewalk.
touch me. Why'd you just hit me?
Want me to hit you again?
What the f is wrong with you? You don't f touch me.
Oh, I'll do what I want. You tried to run
Mom! Mom! She just hit me!
0.
She just hit me!
It's gonna be 80.
Yes, she did. I have a camera. You want to see the video?
We're well aware. He tried to run us down the sidewalk
I did not.
and lied to us.
I have a video.
It's a great thing that there's a camera strapped to his
Oh,
chest.
he's good.
Come on, boy. Just get it on. Let me see
Get away
it.
from me.
Come on.
Get away from me.
57.
If this old lady touches me again, I swear to God.
9.
Oh, you are a lady.
60.
Shame on Dad. That your voice would
She hit me. She hit me in the back.
absolutely. I should be on the sidewalk. Off the sidewalk now.
Excuse me?
Get off the
Please
sidewalk.
don't touch me. Why'd you just hit me?
4.
What the f is wrong with you? You
4.
don't f touch me.
Oh, I'll do what I want. You tried to run.
Mom! Mom! She just hit me!
Come on, tell your story.
She just hit me!
You hit my child?
Yes, she did. I have a camera. You want to see the video?
Me down on the sidewalk and I'm with the motherboard. We're well aware. He tried to run us down the sidewalk
I did not.
and lied to us.
I have a video.
It's a great thing that there's a camera strapped to his chest. Good. Come on, boy. Just get it on. Let me see
Get away
it.
from me.
Come on.
Get away from me. If this old lady touches me again, I swear to God.
Oh, you are a lady. Shame on Dad. That your voice would
She hit me. She hit me in the back.
absolutely. I should be on the sidewalk. Off the sidewalk.
I didn't mean to put that. That's all my fault.
The moment when a U.S. elite special operations infantry unit tries airsoft against a professional airsoft squad. Using tactics they learned in real battlefields within 15.
Well, that's enough
Yep.
for that.
Does it hurt?
Now
Second, hold on, let go.
we're gonna go back to
When
4th
a
grade.
U.S. Elite Special Operations Infantry unit tries airsoft against a professional.
And we're gonna be
30 seconds. Yep. Does it hurt? Oh God, breathe, my guy.
adding fractions with
30 seconds. Yep. Does it hurt?
Alright, so it's just like a regular addition. 1 plus 1, we know that is 2. And 4 plus 4
Does it hurt?
will stay the same. So this will automatically be 2 fourths.
Oh God, breathe, my guy. Breathe.
Ready?
Yep.
4 plus 1, 5. And then the denominator will stay the same.
Oh God, breathe.
So it'll be 5 times. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. If remember, always add the numerators and let the denominators stay the same. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and the denominator will stay the same, which will be 6. 4, 6. 5, 6. 3. Don't IXL. Can I get a charger, by the way?
No, bro. Get off.
5.
Should I ask her? Come talk to her if I should ask her today or tomorrow.
Get on grandma's line.
Huh?
Get on grandma's line. We can try.
Who clock?
Which this one, since 2 plus 3 is 5 and our like denominator is 5, this is actually gonna be one whole. It's gonna be wrong automatically. So you would want to put that. But I'm just saying it will be one whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 6. This is gonna equal a whole.
You really believe the 2018 Warriors are the best team ever assembled?
Yeah.
Well, nobody being Steph and KD together. I don't see
Improper fraction.
I think if you got top 2 or 3.
6, 4.
I look like baby kid.
Easy 100. Now we're gonna go on the 5th grade.
May, it's your turn. Come on. You fell asleep. It's on you. Let go.
And he woke up ready to play Uno.
We're gonna do relate, division, and fractions. 5th grade.
May.
Bro completed assignment shit mid-sleep.
Okay. 4 divided by 6. Easy. It says divide. Write your answer as a proper fraction, a whole number, or a mixed number. I'm gonna write mine as a proper
No, it
fraction.
ain't hot. It's hot.
So you're gonna use both.
Jamar, keep it off.
If you wanna write it as if you want to write your fractions as proper fractions, then you would do it as this.
Cantaloupe, oysters,
Yep.
egg salad, guava,
Apes.
black beans.
Proper fractions, you're just gonna use the two numbers in the problem and put them together. Whole number, then technically just dividing mixed number, etc., etc. Blah blah blah.
Ounce, pineapple pizza.
Nice.
Cantaloupe,
Nice. About to ruin the video. I mean the premiere.
That wasn't his problem no more.
Eat. Hash browns.
You could do the rest of this on your own.
Niggas not a teacher.
Oh yeah. Sixth grade, we were gonna do it, but it seems like I don't have enough, a lot of time left here with you guys. But if you want to do this by yourself, you could look on a video Khan Academy, YouTube, IXL, etc., etc. to know how to do integers. Integers are just negative numbers. This is Tisha has a game on her tablet. Layla has a dance video game. Negative 10, 25. Adding operations with integers. Now we'll get to that one. But this one might be hard. We're gonna do exponents. We're gonna do exponents too, but that's gonna be a little later. Oh, and I also said we're gonna be doing middle school. We're gonna be doing
I found out these were Apache paper wasps, cousins.
we're gonna be doing middle school physics on Khan Academy, which are gonna be like 16 minute to 20 minute science physics lessons for 8th grade physical science. But I'm sorry I didn't get to like a lot of 5th grade, a lot of 6th grade and 7th grade, because I don't really have a lot of time left here. But I will do that 4th week Tuesday, which is next Tuesday. But I'll get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this premiere. I hope you did understand 3rd and 4th grade and a little bit of 5th grade. But I'm about to end the premiere. You know, if you want to copy some stuff and go back to the premiere, you can. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you already know. Peace. Bye.